Ever wondered why we don't salivate at the sight of a live chicken like a lion does at the sight of a gazelle? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? Are we, as humans, really built to be carnivores? Today, we're going to explore 10 intriguing points that might make you rethink our carnivorous nature. From our dental structure to our digestive system, from our nutritional needs to our instinctual behavior, we'll delve into it all. Let us dive into these 10 reasons that suggest we might not be as carnivorous as we think. Ever noticed how our teeth are different from those of a lion or a shark? Unlike carnivores, we don't have the large, sharp canines for tearing flesh. Instead, our teeth, particularly the molars, are flat and perfect for grinding plant matter. Furthermore, our jaws don't just open and close like those of carnivores. We can move them side to side, a movement that's essential when it comes to breaking down plant-based food. So, it's pretty clear, our mouths just aren't built for a carnivorous lifestyle. If our teeth weren't convincing enough, let's take a look inside our bodies. The human digestive system is a marvel of nature, but it's not built like a carnivore's. Our stomachs produce less concentrated acid, which is more in line with those of herbivores. This lower acidity is perfect for breaking down plant matter, but not so great for tackling large amounts of meat. Now let's venture a bit further down. The length of our intestines is another telling sign. Carnivores have short intestines, designed for quickly processing meat and preventing rot. On the contrary, our intestines are long and winding, a characteristic of herbivores, allowing for the slow absorption of nutrients from plant-based foods. So, when we look at our internal biology, from our less acidic stomachs to our lengthy intestines, it's clear that we're designed for a diet that leans more towards the green side. Internally, we're more salad than steak. Our bodies aren't the only things pointing towards a more plant-based lifestyle. Let's consider our nutritional needs. They're varied and complex, requiring a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, much of which can be derived from plants. Our detoxification process is also different from carnivores, favoring plant nutrients for optimal functioning. And taste? We crave a variety of flavors, from sweet fruits to bitter greens, far beyond just the savory taste of meat. Even our tastes and needs suggest we're not true carnivores. Finally, let's consider our behavior. Humans lack the inherent instinct to hunt and kill for food, unlike true carnivores in the wild. We don't salivate at the sight of a live bird or squirrel. Our stomachs don't growl when we see a deer. Furthermore, our ethical compass often questions the morality of consuming animals. The anguish and guilt associated with the act of killing is a strong indication of our natural inclination towards a more compassionate diet. Our instincts and ethics further suggest we're not natural meat eaters. Moving on, let's look at another revealing aspect: our consumption patterns. True carnivores, like lions or wolves, consume their prey whole, skin, organs, bones, and all. They derive nutrition from each part of the animal. Humans, on the other hand, are highly selective. We often discard parts like the skin, guts, and bones, choosing to consume only certain cuts of meat. This selective eating behavior is far more characteristic of omnivores and herbivores, not carnivores. Our selective eating habits thus provide yet another clue that we're not true carnivores. Ever thought about how we hunt compared to a lion or a bear? True carnivores use their bodies to hunt, their sharp teeth and claws, their strength and agility. They are built for the kill. Humans, on the other hand, rely heavily on tools and strategies for hunting. We've used spears, traps, and now guns to bring down our prey. It's a stark contrast. Truth be told, we could never hunt a lion with our bare hands, but we can easily grab an apple off a tree. This reliance on tools for hunting, rather than our bodies, further suggests that we're not natural carnivores. We're not built for the kill, we're built for survival. So, are we really carnivores? Let's recap what we've learned. Our dental and jaw structures, the way our internal systems function, and even our ethical and instinctual tendencies all seem to suggest that we are not natural carnivores. We are not built for the kill. Our bodies are designed more for foraging and scavenging than hunting and killing. Even our use of tools for hunting, rather than our bodies, further supports this notion. So, what does this mean for us? It simply invites us to reconsider our dietary choices. A diet that leans more towards fruits, vegetables, and grains, be more in line with our biology? For you to decide. So, next time you're about to bite into that steak, remember, we might not be as carnivorous as we think.